If I could give you 2 reasons why I personally choose Bitsgap scalp trading bot as my go-to bot of choice in this current bull run, this parabolic bull run in 2021 that we are currently in, BTC pushing all-time highs, Ethereum pushing all-time highs, BNB also pushing all-time highs. All of these coins are quote currencies that I am accumulating more of against the volatility of stable altcoins that I believe in using the Bitsgap bot. And if you had to ask me for 2 reasons why I do choose this bot over any of the other bots, and believe me, I've used a few, around 15 or 16 to be exact, in my 4 years experience in cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency trading. The first reason would be the simple fact that I can set the bot up and walk away. I don't need to spend countless hours. You know how long it takes me to set up a bot? I can have it set up in about 10 seconds. Do my research, a little bit of technical analysis if I need to, and then 10 seconds, the bot is set up, I walk away, I can come back in a week or a month and I can check it, all right? I do check it more regularly, you know, I do check it every day, but I don't actually do anything, okay? Just check it, see how it's going, see how the profits are going, and I make any adjustments, you know, if I do need to. The second reason is the simple fact that it is beginner friendly, but it is also really great for someone who has got some really good advanced technical analysis knowledge in cryptocurrency. If you are someone that is really advanced, you can really make some serious gains. I'm talking 50% plus, maybe even more in a month's time if you're choosing the right altcoins and pairs. So it's really great if you're advanced, but it's also really simple if you're a beginner. In this short video today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna be showing you my current profits on the Bitsgap bot in real time, and I'm gonna be showing you one bot that I had to close that actually fell into a bit of a negative, and kind of explaining how it is not the fault of the bot or Bitsgap that I was not profitable in that particular bot, but more so it was the fault of my own and just, you know, not being able to predict the crypto markets, which is all too common, you know, even in this bull run. So let's jump right into it. Alrighty, lovely ladies and gentlemen. So if you're someone that is new to Bitsgap, then make sure if you do enjoy this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, but also make sure you check out the link at the top of the description in this video, and there will be a link to sign up for Bitsgap. You will get 2 weeks free premium trial with that link, and you'll also be supporting the channel when you do that. All right, so let's scroll down and have a look at my profits here. Now, I can honestly say, guys, everything's active. For the most part, everything is in the green, bar a few that I have kind of opened up more recently. But I can honestly say, guys, this Bitsgap bot, it's a little bit like fantasy football, or, you know, something like that, or, you know, fantasy NFL, or, like, you know, when you get like a sports team, you're trying to get all the best players in the right positions and doing all that kind of thing. Honestly, this is how Bitsgap feels, okay? But in a crypto version. But I can honestly say I probably have never felt more confident in my time using Bitsgap than I am now with the pairs that I currently have open. I'm very, very happy with my pairs, guys. As you can see, I've got Cardano BTC, SXP BTC, VET BNB, Elrond BTC, DOT BTC, Engine ETH, VET ETH, Mana BTC, Mana ETH, Sand BTC, Engine USDT, Reef USDT, ZIL BTC, and Injective Protocol USDT. Guys, so, you know, I'm the kind of trader on this where I don't have a lot of time currently to do sort of in-depth technical analysis and really maximize profits on this bot. Because the thing is, if you're great at TA, like I said, you can spend a bit more time doing some real TA on kind of these more volatile, lower cap altcoins, then you can make some serious gains, guys. You can make way more gains than I'm making. But for me personally, you know, I'm at a stage just at the moment where I don't want to be spending hours, you know, in front of the computer dealing with bots and TA. I'm already taking a lot of time to edit videos and create videos and sort of do other things in my life there. I just like to, you know, pick bots that, you know, are consistent, bringing me consistent gains that I can just walk away and comfortably come back. So that's why it's really, really great. You know, you can sort of, you know, whether you've got time or you don't have time, this bot is absolutely fantastic. So let's have a look at my current sort of top gainers here, guys, in terms of the overall investment change. The award has to go to Engine USDT here, ladies and gentlemen. It was an initial investment of 4,144 USDT. All right, it's been running for 1 month and 23 days. We got a 0.96% per day. 0.96% per day. You're not going to get 0.05% per year at your bank in an average savings account. That is absolutely nonsense, guys. Just let that sink in for just a moment, okay? So as we can see there, guys, the bot profit is a whopping 52%. guys, in under 2 months on the bot profit, which equates in US dollar value to 2,158 USDT. Engine, guys, has been performing so well lately. I'm so bullish on the NFT space, but the NFT infrastructure coins, to be specific, Engine, Mana, Sand, ones like this. Ecomi, of course, is in there as well, and that has been profiting me very well in the form of Tether there, okay? So if we scroll on to the next biggest gainer, all right, I shut one of the gainers down today, guys, to reopen it with a bigger investment. It was the SXP to BTC, so it's actually in my closed section. That was a 44.77% change over a period of 2 months and 74 hours, 0.63% gain, guys, per day. It was a 529 USD profit in the form of BTC. So that came in second place, okay, but I did just shut that down today to actually reopen that SXP position with a bigger initial investment of 0.14995022 BTC. And guys, look at this, 1 hour, 55 minutes, already 0.05% for the day, already 0.12% change, and a nice little, we scroll and have a look there, nice little $4 there, and 7 sort of transactions have already been made on the SXP. And then if we go for the whopping number 3, I think it's gonna be ZIL. Yes, it is, guys. ZIL BTC with a 0.02432346 BTC. Initial investment, 599 USD over a period of 3 months, 5 days. That's a 0.40% per day. And that is active, of course, set up with 80 grids, guys. So big profits, guys, you know. Obviously, I'm not trying to tell you that every single bot is going to work out. Not every single bot is going to work out, guys. And that's where we'll go over and show you this one that I did just close earlier today. It was a big loss. It's actually the biggest loss I've taken, guys, for a bot. It was going to be the ZIL BNB. I had this open 9 days, guys, just 9 days. But as you can see, or if you've been keeping in sort of touch with the crypto markets lately, you'll know BNB has just been on an absolute roll. So these altcoins just haven't been able to keep up. So unfortunately for me, I was down 37% on that one. So took a bit of a loss on that one. Also took a little bit of a loss on HOT to BNB as well. But guys, I just had to take the loss, and you know, I decided, look, I'll take the loss rather than wait and get it into some BTC and Ethereum bots instead, guys. But you know, on the contrast, guys, most of the bots here still are in the green, even the ones that are closed, and we are on a nice little total profit here still with the closed bots of 8,546 USD over a short time, and with the active bots we're on a profit of 8,650 USD, which is equivalent to 9% up. So all in all, guys, you're not going to win every, you know, you're not going to find a service or a bot which gives you 100% victory all the time. If you think that that's going to happen, then, you know, let me shake you around and say it's just not going to happen. All right, it's about finding the ones that don't give you crazy gains, you know, all at one time necessarily, but you're just getting those consistent gains where you can kind of just manage it and kind of just, you know, breathe a little bit. You don't want to be stressing about what's going on in the cryptocurrency space. It's already sort of stressful enough. I'm sure you can relate if you've been in the space for some time. You want those consistent gains, okay? In my personal opinion, that's what you want. So you've seen a few of the losers, guys. A few bots I'll show you that I did just open up just today, literally just today. As I showed you before, we had the SXP BTC, okay? We had VET BNB, very bullish on VeChain, and we had ADA BTC. And I actually don't have any ADA, guys. So let me know in the comment section below, guys. Do you think I should get more Cardano, more ADA? You know, I know they're kind of like already, in terms of blockchain and their technology, already operating on a, I think it's a proof of stake system. It's kind of like what ETH 2.0 is trying to do, you know, but I don't like the way that, you know, a lot of Cardano communities say it's going to be the Ethereum killer. That's just ludicrous, guys. It's ludicrous. Ethereum is the foundation currently to DeFi, the primary foundation to DeFi and NFTs, okay? Yes, the gas fees are high on Uniswap, but so what, okay? I mean, yeah, it's not great, but you know, they're working on the fix, okay? The fix is coming, I'm telling you right now. Cardano and Ethereum, in my opinion, can coexist together, guys. But do remember, these videos are not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research. Well, alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have for you for today's video. If you enjoyed the content today, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. If you do want to know any more information about the bot as well, then join my Telegram community. There are many of us using the Bitsgap trading bot in there. I will leave a link for the Telegram in the description of this video. It will be there, okay? Just scroll down carefully and have a look. Join the group, it's free. We've got a great vibing community in there. We talk about crypto bots, crypto debit cards, among all things altcoins, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency. Make sure you also sign up for the free link. It's free to do and it supports the channel for the Bitsgap trading bot in the description of this video. And the great thing as well that I haven't mentioned as well in this video is that if you're someone that's a bit nervous about using real money straight off the bat, that, you can actually use a fake trading account and you can trade with fake money and open fake bots and actually monitor that for a while until you kind of get comfortable with the bot and how it's working, okay, before jumping in and using the real thing. Bitsgap as well also runs some really amazing YouTube tutorials every single week on the YouTube channel. There will be links for that one as well in the description of this video. So make sure you do let me know, guys, if you've got any questions about Bitsgap at all. Let me know about Cardano. Should I be buying more? And I shall catch you in the next video. Cheers, viewers.